Hey everyone, Attorney Scott Migden here. I once saw a lawyer joke that stuck out to me, and that joke was that a lawyer's job is to protect their client from other lawyers. Sadly, this is no joke. Far too often, for example, I see other lawyers, other criminal offense attorneys like myself, posting videos on social media where they'll tell people if you're ever pulled over on suspicion of driving while intoxicated to never blow. What are they talking about? Well, if the police want you to blow into the breathalyzer, also known as the intoxilizer, to determine your BAC reading, also known as blood alcohol concentration, and you refuse, well, then they don't have evidence of what your BAC reading is. In New York, if you blow a .08 or more, you could be charged with a misdemeanor offense. However, keep in mind three things. First, if you refuse, you can still be arrested and charged with a crime. Second, at your arraignment, first, your license can be suspended pending a DMV refusal hearing, a Department of Motor Vehicle hearing. And then at that hearing, your license could be revoked for 1 year. Meaning, even if your criminal case at some point is completely dismissed or thrown out, or you're found not guilty at trial, you could still have an entire year without any driving privileges. You won't be able to drive to work, to school, to a restaurant or the gym. No driving whatsoever. Third thing to keep in mind is, let's say you blew and it was a .08 or a .09, right around that legal limit. You've never been in trouble before, and this was an isolated incident, one-time lapse in judgment. A lot of district attorneys' offices, the prosecutors, will extend you a non-criminal resolution, guaranteeing no criminal record, no jail, no probation. However, if you refuse, a lot of times they will extend you no offer. Meaning, unless your attorney can get your case dismissed or thrown out, you're either going to be pleading guilty to a misdemeanor to avoid jail time, or you're going to trial to try and avoid a criminal record and jail time. Keep these in mind next time you see that lawyer video, and always feel free to reach out to me if you're ever arrested in New York for driving while intoxicated or any offense.